Dear friends of the internet, I am driving a Renault Megane RS Phase 1 from 2012, which has received a donor engine. After mounting the donor engine, it's making a weird sound when you go into the turbo. So I'm currently driving 60 kilometers an hour at 2000 RPM in fifth to keep things on the down low. But when I shift back, like now I'm in fourth, and I want to accelerate, which I'm about to do, you will hear a sound. Don't know where it's coming from. The intake is okay, it powers up, but there is a sound that it shouldn't make, and it's a noisy, windy sound. So either it's blowing off the air somewhere that it shouldn't go, or I don't know. Just please listen, and if you recognize the sound, just reply, please. Thank you. There we go. Currently fourth gear, 70 kilometers an hour. What would be 2,700 RPM and full throttle. Did you hear it? I'm gonna try third, maybe it's heavier. I don't dare, but I'm gonna try. So, and while it's making all that sound, really nothing happens. It was, by the way, in third gear. I'm now going back to 60 kilometers an hour. We'll shift back in third. RPMs go up to 29 and go. Now I get an error message on my dash as well. Brilliant. Controleer inspuitsysteem, which would translate to check injectors or something. I don't know. Anyway, if you still have any idea what it is, I'd love to hear it. Thank you.